What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, the kind people over at UGA, they were kind enough to send me out 3.2 USB-C 20 GPS charging cable. This will charge up to 24 watts cable. So this is what this looks like. They also sent me over some cases for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but no, I will not be getting the iPhone 16 Pro Max because I currently have my iPhone 15 Pro Max and there is nothing wrong with it. I guess I was just on a list to get more cases since they sent cases out to me when I got my iPhone 15 Pro Max. But anyways, we're going to look at them though, so you can see what, you can get from UAG. I'm sure they have a lot more, but these are the three that they currently sent me out. So like I said, we're going to take a look at them so you can see what you get if you happen to go that route. I do have a lot of cables already. But yeah, this pretty much says up to 24 watts power delivery. So this is the cable, and I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick up these cases for yourself. But since we do have these cases, and we all know that your iPhone 16 Pro Max has gotten a little bit bigger on the front screen, I just want to show you what that would look like, because no, you cannot use iPhone 16 Pro Max cases on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. It just will not work because this has a tad bit bigger layout than your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So first, you have the Monarch Pro, and this gives you 25 feet drop tested, and this is the Kevlar version. So maybe if somebody out there is getting one of these, maybe they can reach out to me and maybe I can see what I can do about sending them to you or something, because like I said, I'm not getting the 16 Pro Max, but they did send me over their products anyways. But we're going to open it up like so. And then I was not able to get my hands on a dummy unit either. But this is what it looks like. Pretty much it looks the exact same to the one that you get with the iPhone 15 Pro Max in all of your iPhones. You get the Kevlar in the middle there, as you can see. And this is blue, and I like the way it looks. But I'm going to show you that it looks like it'll fit the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but no, it does not fit the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is it's pretty loose down here. I don't know how well you can see that, but look at all that lip. So that does let you know that the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a lot longer, because it has a 2-inch screen bump. The back fits perfectly. It's just when you get to the front, I would not recommend you want to use these cases on your iPhone 15 Pro Max, because as you can see there, that is how it's looking, and it's not a snug fit. But overall, everything is gonna feel good like it did before. It's just that the iPhone 16 Pro Max is taller, a little taller down here and down here, but that's to be expected because of the screen. But this is your Monarch Pro. Is that I'm not getting one iPhone 16 Pro Max only because I like this look and the design. I like the lime green MagSafe ring, and I like the gray accent. So pretty much it's just a clear case with your gray accent. And like I said, it's not going to fit your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Just know that. I mean, it's in there, but I wouldn't want to rock this around. I wouldn't want to rock this around. But that is what that will look like if you decide to go pick up this case. Then next we also have the Metropolis LT, a black and gray camo colorway here. Down here it says Urban Armor. Has a nice feel to it. MagSafe capable. And once again, this will not fit your iPhone 15 Pro Max because this is only 6.7-inch screen, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max will have a 6.9-inch screen display. But this is what it will look like. It'll look the same on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's just, it's not fitting this phone because this is not the right variant. But since they sent them over, I still wanted to give you a look of what you could get yourself into if you wanted to go pick up these products from UAG. They do have nice products, as you can see there. And they did also send over UAG watch band strap, but I'm not getting an Apple Watch either. But this is their watch strap in here. As you can see, it's black and orange. So maybe if there's somebody out there that wants this, let me know. Maybe I can help you get this. Maybe we'll see. But maybe I'll just hang on to it because you never know. But pretty much, I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.